Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair JBL Reflect Flow Sport with your iPhone. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. At the back you can find indicator. So when it's like 3 bars, it means that it's around 75%. Each bar has like 25% of the battery. So that's of course battery level of your charging case. When you open this case and take them out of it, both earbuds, after a few moments they will start blinking like that. So you have to wait until one of them starts blinking red and the blue. As you can see, the right one is blinking, so it means that right now they are visible for other devices. So you have to just put them close to your iPhone and then go to the settings, open Bluetooth, tap on the switcher, and now just wait until they pop on the list. As you can see, here they are, so just select them once, and after a few moments you will be successfully connected. And as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.